Hey guys, Doug B here, your average axe-wielding hack. Welcome to Preset of the Week, where I highlight either one of the factory presets or presets created by third-party creators. We are still staying busy at the factory, so turn your Axe FX3 or FM3 or FM9 to preset 223, Rainy Nights. Let's listen to a little sample. All right, good old random number generator. All right, 0 in minimum, 383 in maximum, we'll hit generate. Number 223. Alrighty, let's go check that one out. I checked, and Rainy Nights is on both the Axe FX3 and the FM3. They have the same number of blocks, and they basically look the same. There is one small difference though. On the FM3, the Comp 1 block is bypassed in Scene 1, but it's active on the Axe FX3. Since it's already there, I'm going to make it active on the FM3. The title of this preset immediately brings me back to that 1970 hit by Brooke Benton, Rainy Night in Georgia. That song was written by Tony Joe White, the same guy who wrote Polk Salad Annie. If you've never heard either of those songs, do yourself a favor and look them up. My wife is very relieved that it didn't remind me of the other Rainy Night song. No, sorry, I'm not a fan. So the less said about that one, the better. Let's look under the hood of this preset. It has 8 scenes: rain, rotary, heavy, heavy roto, all awash, less rain, cleaner, and dry no trem. Now besides the in and the out blocks, it has 11 blocks. Comp 1, drive, amp, cab, pan trem, delay, rotary, volpan, reverb, chorus, and comp 2. The comp 1 block uses the pedal compressor 1 in channel A and is used in all 8 scenes. The drive block uses the T808OD in channel A and is used in scenes 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It uses the esoteric ACB in channel B and is used in scenes 1 and 8. The amp block uses the deluxe verb vibrato in channel A and is used in all 8 scenes. The cab block uses legacy number 16, a 1x12 Brit G12H30. It's in channel A and it's used in all 8 scenes. The pan trem block uses the bias trem type in channel A and is used in scenes 1 through 7. The delay block uses the digital stereotype in channel A and is used in scenes 1 through 5 and also scene 7. The rotary block uses channel A and is used in scenes 2, 4, and 5. Volpan uses the volume type in channel A and is used in all 8 scenes. The volume parameter is controlled by Scene Controller 1. Now if we go up here and click on Controllers and go to Scene Controller 1 and 2, we can see Scene Controller 1, they're all turned up except for Scene 5, that one that's turned down. So for Scene 5, which is called All Awash, the instrument signal is only hitting the reverb, chorus, and comp 2 blocks. The reverb block uses the cavern type and is used in scenes 1 through 5 and 7. The chorus block uses the digital monotype in channel A and is used in all 8 scenes. The Comp 2 block uses the Studio FF Compressor 1 in channel A and is used in all 8 scenes. This preset uses around 50% of the CPU on the Axe FX3 and about 79% of the FM3's CPU. I'll demo all 8 scenes and I'll list the scene names on screen and will also show which unit was used. So there you have it, guys. Factory preset 223, Rainy Nights. There's an awful lot of wetness going on in this one, except for scene 8. Very low humidity on that one there. Your basic old school amp in the room. Dry. Okay, now guys, this Friday, by request, we're going to take a look at using FRFRs versus using a power amp and a cab. Now you don't want to miss that, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. All right guys, see you on Friday.